Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now in this video today, I'm going to be making a lasagna sauce that you can use as a dip for Super Bowl Sunday. Now this is going to mimic an actual lasagna. The difference is that we're not putting any pasta noodles on there, and it is going to be very saucy so that you can use anything that you want to dip in it. All right, so the first thing that I'm doing here is we're going to go ahead and start out with browning the meat. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, it really doesn't matter what it is you make, whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, whether you're grilling, whether you're taking out. This is a very flexible collaboration just to show how we live everyday life, and sometimes we take out, sometimes we eat in. Whatever the case may be, just make your video and upload it, and I'll be more than happy to add it to the playlist. All right, so let me tell you who the hosts are of this collaboration. So we have myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. We also have my main channel name that I use a lot, which is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and My Mountain Home and Kitchen. Now what I did here is I added a little bit of water to the pan as opposed to adding oil, because we know that the ground beef and the cheeses all release oil. So I usually season with salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, or Italian seasoning, or both. So that's what I'm adding to this, but I'm also going to be adding a packet of chicken bouillon. I love the way chicken bouillon tastes. It gives it an absolutely beautiful flavor. And then we're gonna go ahead and allow this to simmer. Now, I did add a little bit of spaghetti sauce here, which I would say is about a quarter cup. And then later on, I will be adding a packet of the stevia. Now, some people like spice, so this is probably a good time to go ahead and put in your crushed red pepper, your cayenne pepper, or even jalapenos, whatever it is that you like to kick up the heat in this sauce. I'm not adding any of that, so remember, you can alter this. Now, I'm probably going to be checking this like every 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure, because we don't want to overcook this either. But we do want everything cooked, and we do want everything melted before I go ahead and serve it. And there's the packet of stevia, and we add that in to to add a little bit of sweetness, because the tomato sauce can be a little bit bitter. So now the nice thing about this being a sauce is that you can use tortilla chips. You can go ahead and use pita even. You can make the pita bread into chips. You can even put it in you could put it on Italian bread. If you cut it into slices, you can go ahead and make a little sandwich with it. There's just so multiple things that are very easy, especially when you are celebrating an event that everybody is watching. Now, I would say that I probably let this simmer for about 40 minutes on low, or like just slightly above low. And so now I'm going to show you, I'm going to put it on a plate as opposed to a bowl so you could see it better. But this would be great for any event, just for anything really, guys. And it smells so good. Oh my goodness, do you see how cheesy that is? It is absolutely amazing. My son and I love this because it's so versatile. So here we are at the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.